Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today I finished up a set of 2018 Suzuki RMZ450 forks. These are the Showa 49mm twin chamber spring fork, and this is the first year that Suzuki went back to a spring fork and started using this fork. It's set up a little bit on the firm side and lacks a little bit of initial plushness compared to the other stock counterparts, such as the 2019 Kawasaki KX450F that has similar Showa 49mm twin chamber spring forks as well. But they are a much better overall fork than the previous generation forks that they have been running on the Suzuki RMZ450. These were revalved to the JBI suspension motocross spec, and the forks also feature the JBI suspension Showa Pro Fork upgrade. That is a hardware kit that upgrades the internals inside of the fork. What that is specifically is a new subvalve on the compression adjuster, and the subvalve is optimized for better flow based off the volume the cartridge rod displaces on these forks. These forks feature a large 14mm cartridge rod. For something to compare that against, a KYB cartridge rod is 12.5mm, a WP cone valve or Exact Pro or AER fork or Explorer fork or open chamber fork, they all feature a 12mm cartridge rod, which is the smallest. Oh, and MX Tech features a 10mm cartridge rod on their, I believe, MXT Raven and Blackjack forks. Not saying that's a good or bad thing, just pointing out some of the technical differences between the different twin chamber forks that are out there. So again, the first part of the JBI Pro Fork upgrade kit is the new subvalve. The other part of it is the volume spacer that goes inside the fork. That helps with increasing the bottoming resistance without the forks getting too stiff too soon. Details about that and how that works on another video and also on the website. And then also another key piece is the JBI titanium leaf spring mid-valve configuration. That comes in the kit as well. What that does is it updates these mid-valves to kind of the latest gen or latest thing in technology for mid-valves, and that is a leaf spring setup. It is using shims as the check spring on the mid-valve side instead of a traditional small compression coil spring. What's cool about this is it's very easy to change the spring rate, easy to change the amount of float you have, how stiff or how soft it is. It is very versatile and very efficient. Building shim stacks that way, or building springs by using shims, is very accurate because we know how thick a shim is and we know very well how much effort it takes to bend. That type of mid-valve is stock on all the Yamaha YZF models since 2018, and it is now stock on all the YZ two-stroke models. This fork was also rebuilt with new Showa fork seals on the fork tubes, and the cartridge rod seals were also replaced on these forks. Again, they were set up for motocross riding. We maintain the use of the stock springs, which is a 0.51 kilogram, and it was set up to the JBI suspension motocross spec with the Showa Pro Fork upgrade kit. This whole setup is about 500 bucks. Again, that is for the revalve labor, new oil, new fork seals, new cartridge rod seals left and right, and the Pro Fork kit upgrade, which is the subvalve, volume spacers, some titanium spacers, and the titanium leaf spring cup kit that goes inside of the mid-valve of the forks. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. If you'd like us to help you set up your suspension, give us a call or send us an email, and we'll be happy to strategize a setup for you. Thank you for watching.